Hi everyone.
This is Twitter Diary.
We're gonna make a volcano today. We got this really cool volcano set from Smithsonian Giant Volcano, and we put it together over the last few days. Here we go. I'm gonna show it to you. Then they painted it, Trigya and his mother. And this is Annie. Annie, say hi to the camera. There we go. Now what we need to do is we need to take
There
this.
will be a video down there in the iCard. Please be sure to click on it.
One second. Don't push it too hard.
Explode like a gigantic volcano.
Balance. Now in this, can you open it? We have to put 90 cl of household vinegar. What wine vinegar? Vinegar. Vinegar. It's not mama, little girl. Did you open it?
Yeah. But we don't know unless we use this.
Yep. Find the 90. Put your thumb there. Smell. Smell कर.
Done. Can I smell?
I took coughed. आपको cough नहीं आता है? नहीं, it's not to be drunk, baby. You got the 90?
Yeah.
I'll pour it for you. You hold it.
Oh, I'll pour it.
Okay. I don't know where the 90 is, so. Yes, Annie.
Baba.
90 cl.
Baba. Dare to do that. Don't do
With a
that
camera.
at home.
Don't do that at your home. Open up.